2 of the 4. Put in this bottom one. Got that one going. Then we've got our final one, which is going to go right up there. So, as we can see, guys, we had 4 bolts in total. I'm getting ready to tighten them all down now. This stuff does not go on very tight. We're dealing with plastic. It will break easily. Be gentle with this stuff. This is not steel. Alright. Gonna be happy now that they have all their lights on at nighttime. They'll be able to see their fuel and temperature easily. Alright. We've got all 4 of those tight. And if you recall, we've got this inside panel. Just snaps into place as well. Kind of just snaps into place too. Boom. And if you recall, it had 4 screws, 2 on top, 2 down below. Let's go ahead and get those started. Got my lower left. I've got my lower right. Got my upper right. Let's see. That one's kind of going in a little funny. See if we can help it out. There we go. And I've got my last and final upper left. It's going in much easier. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tighten all of these snug. My lowers. There we go. And now all that's left is this final trim piece. Look, it's got this green piece tends to stay stuck down there. If it does, just pop it out and put it back up in there. In my case, I'm going to pop it back out. Let me pop it back out real quick. I think it's in the wrong spot. Alright, so that part actually needs to stay in here. So I did pop it out and I slid it back.
What you doing, man?
Video.
Snapchat them whole shit.
YouTube.
YouTube?
Mm-hmm.
That YouTube channel?
Mm-hmm. Here we go. Got that snapped in now. And that's how we finish that up. Put this back in the drive. Lift up on the column. Perfect. If y'all have any questions, reach out to me. Thank you.